Hey guys, welcome out to the channel. Today we have a little lesson learning that we're going to be doing today, and we are going to be getting some bushes planted, and I'm going to teach the boys how to do that. They're going to have to use some tools, get these things buried in the ground. We have blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, and we've already planted the blueberries a little while ago, and all these were found on sale at Lowe's. They're fairly cheap, so if they end up dying, it's not gonna be a big deal. And we got some blackberries right here that we need to plant, and some raspberries right here. They have weeds in them, and we're gonna try to get the kids to take care of them, right?
I'm taking care of this one, Daddy.
You want to take care of the blackberry one?
Yeah.
So this will be like a little project for them to water these and take care of the weeds. And if we find any rocks around the yard, we're gonna do like we did with the blueberries, and we started like a little circle with all the little rocks, kind of making it its own little area. So what do you guys say about, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I've given the boys their own shovel that they're gonna be using today, but I also believe in the keep it simple method, and I know that we have rocks in the yard, so I'm gonna start off by using the auger and tearing up quite a bit of the yard for them, and then they're gonna be able to dig their own holes. Let's move this so that we don't tear it up. That is on. I wonder if we're out of fuel. I think we might be out of fuel to even start. There we go.
Good. Woo!
So I got the holes dug, but I went ahead and filled them back in a little bit so that we could get them to dig them up like they were actually digging their own holes, but it's a little bit easier. All right, so you don't want to make a big, you don't want to throw the dirt all over, okay? You want to pile it right next to it.
Dad, I found a wallet.
All right, put them in a pile so we can put them around it.
We also got to get rid of rocks under our plants, because plants' roots don't like rocks.
Yeah?
I'm almost done already.
You think so?
Yeah.
If you put your foot on the back of the shovel and push it down, it'll go deeper.
Look at this.
Yeah, push it on the, yep, just like that.
I'm turning up this one really good.
Come to the side so you can actually bend it over. There you go. How's it going? You almost done?
Yeah. It's a bit not hard, but easy.
All right, so we've gotten our holes dug. They're about 8 inches deep, right? Yeah, was that hard? Kinda?
Yeah, because you kind of used that.
Yeah, I used that auger.
Yeah.
Made it a lot easier to dig the dirt, didn't I? If you had a farm, would you use an auger first?
Yep, and
Yep.
did.
All right, so now we need to go ahead and get these plants out of their little buckets so we can put them in.
How do we do that?
It's a good question, bud. All right, so what we're gonna do, little man,
Mm-hmm.
is let's try to pick some of these weeds out real quick.
Sure.
Careful, you don't want to break the bush. All right, so we got most of the weeds out. Alright, and now we're gonna That's part of the bush. Don't pull any of the bush off, okay?
What's the bush like this?
Yeah. No, that's not. That's a weed right there. That's a weed. Alright. So now what we can do is we can take it and we need to get this side. Sorry, did I smack you in the face?
Yes.
We can take it, pull it out.
Wait, what?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey Nick, can you get yours? Hold on, we gotta put some topsoil in there real quick.
Okay.
So we got this topsoil that we're gonna put in here real quick. And this is an organic topsoil. It's not supposed to have any kind of chemicals or anything in it. So now we'll kind of spread this around. Alright, you want to go ahead and put that, we're going to break this base apart. Come and help me break this base apart a little bit.
I do.
Just kind of smushing it.
Good. Step it in. Now we just bit all over it.
Yeah, where'd all your dirt go? Did you lose it all?
There's the old part in there.
Alright, so we're going to have to get some more. Let's put the rest of this around it.
Dad, I'm so excited to water it. Oh no, it's going.
Spread that around.
Stop. Good. Just get to me, Dad.
Alright, so now we gotta get this plant in the ground over there. So we gotta get yours out too, okay? So let's go ahead. Help me pull the weeds out, bud.
What's your weed?
Just the stuff on the outside. Dump it in there. Just tip it over and dump it in there.
Dun.
Oh, in the hole, bud. Ready? Oh, get
Yeah,
that
I'm
out.
just
Get
kidding.
this out. Pull that out of there.
To bid what?
Alright. Oh. Now we gotta get more of the topsoil and pour it around it. Hey, the topsoil right here, bud.
Doing good, Dad. Still some in there?
Yep.
There's just one big chunk.
Can you help him?
Yeah.
You guys put it around the plant.
No. Dad, stop.
Alright, spread it around.
Okay.
Don't throw it, just spread it around.
We gotta destroy blocks. There's some life around here. Yeah, it's some life.
Alright, is that good?
Yeah. Good math.
Alright, so now.
Mac.
Do what?
I'm gonna call it Mac.
You can call it Mac. Alright, now we got to go ahead and we can get some mulch and put some mulch around them.
Mac.
You need some more?
Nope.
You think you got enough?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's go get this blueberry bush real quick.
Yeah.
Now we're all done. We have our blueberry, our blackberry bush,
And
and
raspberries.
our raspberry
I think
bush right there.
They're suffocating when you do that.
You think it's good?
Yep. Now we need wash our hands. And also now my hands are cold.
Whoa, you got some black ants, dude.
Wow, you can really get some furnace in Minecraft for that.
Look at your hands.
Good, get the house and wash these ones. I'm cool. I finally got out the ground.
Water your plant. Alright, spray it. 3.
What kind are they? My clothes are already
Blueberry,
Hey.
blackberry, and raspberry.
Cool.
What are you doing up there, Kat? Alright guys, thanks for joining today and checking out our planting of these 3 little bushes. You're going to learn something over the next year, aren't you?
Yeah.
How to plant them and how to pick them. And why are you all wet?
Because you like me.
Thanks for joining. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. And remember, if you guys have kids, planting stuff is a great thing to teach them so that they can grow stuff later on and carry that on, and they can feed themselves. When they're out here in the yard after these get growing, they can actually pick off the stuff because we aren't going to be using pesticides or anything like that on them, and hopefully they grow fine. So thanks guys for joining, and we'll see you guys on the next video.